John Durst here, Durst Builders. We are at our project in downtown Hollywood, California. Just a few miles from the Hollywood sign and from several studios in the area. And this is our project where we are installing cross-laminated timber or mass timber. It's been just a real coordination between all trades. This is a hybrid system where we're using structural steel frame with mass timber decking. And as you can see, the timber going up behind us, all from the manufacturer, pre-cut, openings pre-cut, so it fits, the timber fits, so we can install 2 trucks a day pretty easily as things run smoothly. So about 18 to 20 panels per day can be installed. So on a project like this with 3 levels, we can get 1 level installed in 2 days. But it does take coordination, takes trades working together. It's been a real team, and as you can see, we're up at the roof level now, installing the mass timber here today. Just wanted to explain a little bit to lift these panels. We've always got to be finding the center of gravity so the lifts go quickly, which our crew does on the ground. We use the MTC lifting anchors that lag down to each panel, 4 anchors, and they have to be centered. Boom, panel goes up, in place, 18 to 20 panels a day. And that's always the goal. I'm standing next to about 5 wide flange steel beams with wood nailer on them. Logistically, we had to get the nailer on before the beams went in place, and so the mass timber could be placed on in a timely fashion. So working together, because we had to set up a reload yard. So we had 17 trucks of steel had to get delivered to the reload yard where the wood nailer was delivered and installed on the steel. And that's going to be our next visit today. And on top of that, the mass timber coming from Structural Land was coming from Vancouver, BC. So 1,300 mile drive. That too had to be coordinated because we couldn't get just-in-time deliveries to the job site. So we had to unload the CLT at our reload area and then reload it on a per truck basis as we needed to set the job properly and in an orderly fashion. These beams are going to be set after the cranes move because these beams go where the steel is, and there's some timber that goes there as well. So once the crane moves, we'll be back in for a day or two to set these beams and set the timber. This is our reload yard. This is another lot that the owner owns, and so we were able to bring the steel here, install the wood nailer. We offloaded all of our cross-laminated timber here. Now there's just about 2 more loads left. One's already loaded on a flatbed directly in front of me, and then there's the loads here to my right that actually are going to get installed in a couple of weeks when the crane's removed and that one section of steel is put in on the building. With all that coordination, we were able to offload all the CLT, store it here, and then reload as we needed it so we could have our just-in-time delivery. So that's all the coordination it took to install the mass timber, which overall took about 7 working days, 6 to 8 man crew, 3 levels of mass timber installed and ready to go.